House of Reps, my colleagues, the former presiding officers. Mr. Speaker, let me start by thanking you, and through you, thank the Honorable House for giving us this very good opportunity to honor our colleague, our friend, Right Honorable Chief Agungu Anekwe. Mr. Speaker, I was in the House of Reps representing Modobi Federal Constituency of Kano State, and coincidentally, our Speaker, Chief Agungu Anekwe, was elected our Speaker of the House of Reps in 1992, and same day I was also elected as the Deputy Speaker of the House of Reps. Our period was truncated, was very short, but it was full of events. So many things have happened during that time. I remember one of the events, of course, is the presidential elections of 1993. And of course, the annulment of those elections, the first one and second one, which our leader then, Chief MKO Abiola of blessed memory, won the election. Mr. Speaker, I remember a day before the annulment of that election, all of us, the presiding officers of the National Assembly, including our leader here, the then President of the Senate, President Ume, we were all at Chief MKO Abiola's residence. And we were there when information came that our then leader,